Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and this is the review of the all new Oppo Find N2 Flip. Now before starting the video, I just want to share my gratitude towards Oppo and Oppo India for selecting me as one of their 10 Oppo Find N2 masters and for sending this device to test and make a review even before the launch. And while saying that I have a device to test even before the global launch, it kind of feels like MKBHD, and that's a very special feeling for me. Okay, now let's get into the video. So I've been testing this device for about 2.5 weeks now, and I think this is a pretty good time to know a device advantage and disadvantages. So in this video, I'm going to share all of my thoughts, experience of using this device. And now let's start the review. Design and build quality. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is built with premium materials that feel sturdy and solid. The hinge mechanism is well engineered and smooth. The phone doesn't creak or flex when opening and closing the device. The back cover of the device is made of glass, which gives it a premium feel, and the phone is available in two colors, Moonlight Purple and Astral Black. Both looks beautiful. The Oppo Find N2 Flip's camera are assisted by Oppo's dedicated imaging chip called Meri Silicon X. There's also a collaboration with Hasselblad for color tuning. When shooting in Pro mode, you get special master filters that were co-created with Hasselblad ambassadors, expand mode, and an orange shutter button. Being a flip phone, the Find N2 Flip lets you capture better selfies when folded, since you can use the main rear camera pointing towards you and frame your shot on the cover screen. The main rear camera has a primary 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor. The ultra-wide camera has 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor, which is moderate. The main display is 6.8 inches AMOLED panel that includes a peak brightness of 1600 nits, up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and support for HDR10 plus content. The refresh rate are adaptive too, using LTPO technology to quickly adjust down to 1 Hz when needed, or as high as 120 Hz when the content demands it. It's a very vibrant panel with attractive and saturated colors and clean details. But that's not all. Here we have the biggest cover screen on any flip phone in the market. Its cover display is itself a miniature smartphone display. You can check notifications, click pictures, take videos, look on the weather, calendar. Also you can set timers and so on. Also you have quick toggles here. You can also use the cover screen as a monitor to take selfie with the main camera. It makes a far better monitor than most of the phones of this type. Oppo partnered with MediaTek on this one and has opted for the Dimensity 9000 Plus platform, which is incredibly powerful. It's more than capable of delivering a smooth, fast and responsive experience, especially when combined with the 120 Hz refresh rate. In all of my testing with the phone, it seemed responsive, quick to load apps and games. The interface just glides effortlessly under the fingertips. It handles all my games without any issue, keep up with the quick animations and not once dropping the resolution so that it could keep up. As I have mentioned, it's proper flagship processor and it acts like one. I can comfortably play hours of Asphalt 9 without it choking or getting too hot. The Oppo Find N2 Flip has a 4300 mAh battery, I found battery life to be more than satisfactory on the Oppo Find N2 Flip. On average, it lasted more than one full day with about 5.5 hours or 6 hours of screen on time, during which the main apps being used were Notion, Slack and Instagram. The phone supports a maximum of 44-watt SuperVOOC fast charging, even though it comes with an 80-watt proprietary adapter in the box. And it manages to get 96% in slightly more than an hour. Software. The Oppo Find N2 Flip runs on ColorOS 13, which is based on Android 13. The software is easy to use, the interface is clean and intuitive. The phone also has several customization options, allowing you to tailor your phone to your liking. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is a smartphone that gets a lot right, and it's impressive for the first attempt at this form factor. It also manages to genuinely change the game by solving the biggest problems in just first attempt. Overall, the Oppo Find N2 Flip seems like a solid smartphone with an attractive design and impressive features. Its flip design and the camera system makes it stand out from the competition, and its powerful processor and the ample storage, bigger battery should provide a smooth and responsive user experience. So that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada, stay tuned.